Hey guys, and welcome to another tutorial on this channel. In this tutorial, we're going to be making one of your monitors your main display. So recently I got two monitors on my setup right here, and like you see, I just your all your folders into your main monitor right there. So all you need to do is just go into the into the search bar right here and just type in rearrange multiple displays, and here you can just arrange your displays right here. But as I could identify which one is which, so here right here I got number 2, on my other monitor I got number 1. So here, so currently my number 2 is my main display, but then like, so say your number 2 wasn't meant to be your main display and you want number 1 to be your main display. So all you need to do, just click on number 1, and then just click on make this my main display, and then here it will just switch right here. So this one there'll be nothing on here, but here and here, yeah, so right there you could use this as my main screen, or your main screen right here. So yeah, so that's how you change your main display onto one of your monitors. So hopefully you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and leave a like for more tutorials like these in the future. Thank you.